together with bread. I guess that is hot dog bun. Correct? Is that correct? That's hot dog bun. Okay. So, the groups are sausage and egg. We have the separation of American egg, poached egg, and the iron. But they are most preferred to eat like this. And our blue orange contains what else? Okay, why is it that you use the hot dog bun instead of other kinds of bread? Have you seen that kind of preparation dun sa inyong mga sinerts using a hot dog bun? Okay, that particular hot dog bun, if you prepared it, talagang hot dog siya, you could use that. But if that is plated, okay, do not use that again. Okay?
Yes,
Pagka
ma'am.
nagpapasend kayo ng plating, hindi yan yung intended bread that you have to use. Kasi pag kayo ay nagpunta ng hotel, you could easily see that that is not included in the preparation. Kung yan ay gagawin ninyo as hot dog sandwich, you could use. But if you are going to plate it, you better find for another type of bread, but not the hot dog bun. You get it? The same thing with hamburger bun. Okay? So that should not be used in plating. Do you have questions so far? May question ba mga anak?